Picnic Grove. Marami.
You have no eyeglass.
So we are here in Picnic Grove, Tagaytay. So Picnic Grove is one of famous place to visit Tagaytay. Picnic Grove. No? Picnic Grove has been very long time in Tagaytay. I think it's 50 years ago. Picnic Grove is already here. 50 or 60 years ago. So then they are overlooking to the famous amazing Taal volcano here in Tagaytay. So right now ang Taal volcano nag-smoke. Hindi naman siya nag-iirap pero mayroon siyang smoke na lumalabas, as you can see that. Okay, say hi, good morning Tagaytay. We're here in Picnic Grove. Meron din sila ang Picnic Grove, marami ng changes, no? Marami ng mga bago ano nila ngayon.
Daddy, you're mag-selfie muna tayo. Scott, kami mag-selfie muna tayo.
So later, itutur ko kayo sa Picnic Grove. So meron sila dito mga horse riding, zip lining. Ayan, zip lining nila. Meron din silang, of course, the Wheel of Fortune. Picnic Grove, and that's the famous Taal volcano right now. So yan yung mga chalet nila rito. Diba? Yun ang famous.
That we're burning.
So yung mga shade na yan ng Taal volcano, etong sa Picnic Grove. Oh, it's part of my history with my wife. Way back 1994 January, we're here. And during that time, may pang wala. Oh. So marami na rin silang kainan dito. Itong viewing deck. They call viewing deck. This one, the new one in sa viewing deck. So then the viewing deck, meron silang Kusina de Maria. Okay, marami rin silang mga pasalubong. You can buy, and the pasalubong is 3 for 100 and 5 for 100. Yeah. So then dito marami silang bilihan ng mga pasalubong. So sa Tagaytay marami nagbebenta nito, mga saging. Sa isang plastic is 100 pesos, 100 pesos. Mura na yan.
Eto.
Mura na yan.
Hindi pa, bagong hinog lang pa yan.
Uy, sarap lang. Bagong hinog. Pwede pa yan. Sige, yung saging. Ito, maganda to.
Opo.
100 din yan?
Opo.
100 pesos. Okay.
Pupunta pa kami dun.
Iwanan nyo na lang po muna.
Reserve mo sa akin. Hindi ka alis ha.
Huwag kang alis ha.
Tapos yun,
Bilang natin mamaya. Okay. So, pasalubong.
Souvenir po, sir.
Alam mo yung mga bag mo, mami? Ayan, oh.
Oo, Thailand yun. Pati yung sombrero.
Ayan. Ayan ang bag ng Thailand. Tapos ano, sa Taal.
Hindi, ito may Taal, pero sinamahan nila.
Ito ng Thailand. So, marami kayong mabili dito. Kaya lang yung mga, ano nila, yung ibang mga bag galing na ng Thailand. Yung iba is here, ayan, Thailand. Pero, no, dito na sa Tagaytay. Pero came from Thailand. So, mga galing ng Thailand to. So,
Spaghetti palabok.
Souvenir, ma'am. Wallets, t-shirt, bags.
ay, may maliit.
Nakita mo yung malaki.
Ayun, mami, pangkamat. Sa likod.
Meron tayo yun.
Oo nga, ang problema wala yung box eh. Ang ganda ng ano. Mami. Ayan. Tanong mo, mami.
Ano? Sumabit pa yung paa niyo sa haba.
Boys and girl. Boys and
I
girl.
want you to carry something for me.
The banana? Sige, here, carry.
Gusto niyo nun? Bag. Gentlewoman.
I already have that.
Shoulder bag. Good.
No, I'm good. Here, you have to carry the banana. I got
Yung suwa, mami, hindi ka bibili.
Oh my gosh, you haven't paid yet? Okay, thank you. You guys say.
So visit Picnic Grove is one of the best location to see the Taal volcano. Okay, so Picnic Grove, my suggestion and my recommendation, if you want to see the whole view of the Taal volcano, only here in Picnic Grove, Tagaytay. Okay, Well recommended yan. Picnic Grove Tagaytay. And here in Picnic Grove Tagaytay, maraming mga souvenir kayong mabibili. Like what I said, ang souvenir nila mainly is here in Tagaytay, and some product it came from Bangkok, Thailand. Of course, mayroon din silang taho. Ay mami, yung resibo ng ano? Park payment,
It's a
parking.
pug, that dog was a pug chihuahua.
Chihuahua. So, payment ng parking dito. Magpa-park kayo. Okay. So, available ang parking. So, nothing to worry about parking space. Dito sa Picnic Grove, marami silang parking space for cars and motorbike. Okay. And, yep. Picnic Grove is one of the best place to visit here in Tagaytay. Very spacious siya. Compare sa other places here sa Tagaytay, puro kainan lang. At least ito Picnic Grove, big space, lots of things to see. Okay. Ang isa pagagandaan sa Picnic Grove, ang gusto ko is yung horse riding nila. Okay. So, parking space sa Picnic Grove, as you can see, available. Marami silang parking space. So guys, well recommended Picnic Grove kung gusto nyo makita ang the whole Taal Volcano view. Sa Picnic Grove lang.
75 lang ang entrance.
75 lang ang parking.
No, 50 ang parking, 75 ang entrance per person.
Okay. So, entrance per person 75. Parking 50 pesos lang. Okay. Very reasonable, cheap na yun. Andun yung horse riding. Pumunta tayo doon. Tapos, dito muna tayo. So, ang horse riding nila rito. Dito. I put there. Saka. Okay, he's pooing. He's pooing. You still remember that, Kat?
I remember
Kawawa naman the whole.
actually they look fun. They look like
Okay. So, magkano horse riding?
here, record it.
Okay, spinning. Tara, mami. Ano tayo?
Oh, I don't want that.
Well, I think
Okay, so ride the horse or not? Ride the horse or not? Say yes.
No.
Ride the horse.